My name is Brad Cecchi and I'm the owner of Franquette in West Sacramento. I'm born and raised here in Sacramento and I found restaurants right after high school. I became really enthralled with that kitchen lifestyle. And then along the way, having access to great ingredients, it really drove my passion for food, which led me to working all over the world and eventually moving back here and opening Franquette in 2021. We are in Yolo County. We live in a place where farmers are literally across the street. We had tomatoes walk in the door this morning. We can take a little bit from a lot of farms and turn that into really great, pastries and salads and things like that. At Franquette, we're currently featuring on our California grown menu one thing for breakfast, which is our summer corn galette. It has zucchini from West Sacramento, Brentwood corn, goat cheese, all sits in a puff pastry. I think that people anywhere that are going out to eat in restaurants should be looking for California grown menu items because the things taste the best. We have such a great growing season. We have farmers that have been doing this for generations. The Sacramento region is such a place that highlights and celebrates its culinary and food culture. And so having a rich growing region that we do gives us access to the best ingredients, creates the best community, and every Sunday at our farmers markets gives us an opportunity to connect with each other.